Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some products that I have been absolutely loving at the moment. Some of them are drugstore, some I had, some random favorites, but I just wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys want to see some bomb products that are really good, then definitely please keep watching. Before you go anywhere, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much, and let's jump into the video. Alright, so a majority of this is makeup. I'm gonna start with some of the face products that I have been loving for like giving my skin that summer glow in the wintertime when my skin has been literally dry as all heck. So if you guys are on the lookout for some like bomb skin products, I got you. First things first, we have the, let me wipe some of these down because they look disgusting, but that's how you know that I'm using them. Also, don't mind if my nails look crusty dusty. Whenever I cook, I always use turmeric and it stains my nails and it looks disgusting, like I have a fungus. It's not, it's just turmeric. Alright, so first things first, we have the NYX Marshmallow Primer. So I've been seeing a lot of people rave about this product, and honestly, when I picked it up, I did not think that I would like it. I just thought that it was kind of a gimmick. I was just like, a marshmallow primer, like really? But once I started using it, I really enjoyed it. It reminds me a lot of my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in the sense that it really like smooths out the skin, except the consistency of this is a lot different. It's not like a thick putty consistency. It's marshmallow consistency. Like it's really like fluffy. It kind of reminds me of like marshmallow fluff. It also smells really good. But what I love about this primer is that it smooths out the skin, but it also really hydrates. So whenever I use this, I notice that my skin stays really like tacky and just like juicy afterward, so that whatever foundation I put on top just goes on so much better and doesn't like stick to dry patches as much. So if your skin has been on the drier side, but you also want it to have really nice smoothing effect, definitely try out this primer. You will not regret it. So moving on to foundation, this is a foundation that I used to swear by in high school, and then I stopped using it because I remember it used to break me out back in the day. My skin has obviously changed a lot since high school, so I decided to give it a try again, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation. You guys, this is what I have on my skin right now, and I literally just feel like it gives you that kind of like glass skin finish, evens up the skin, gives decent coverage, but it's not like cakey. As you can see, I have it on and I still have like blemishes and stuff peeking through, which I don't mind because I don't like a super cakey heavy foundation look, and this is great. It gives you that medium coverage, evens up the skin, gives you that glow. I really like it, and it's only like $5 or $6, but I feel like the finish of it reminds me of a lot of really good high-end foundations. I also really love the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Smooth one. That one's really good too if you have more oily skin. Next up, this is another product that good old TikTok made me buy, and it's the number 7 Perfect Light Pressed Powder in medium. It looks like this. It's just like a really sheer translucent powder. Now this is said to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder. I wouldn't say like the consistency of it. The consistency of it isn't an exact dupe, but what I like about this powder is that just like the Charlotte Tilbury one, it's sheer with little color. It'll set your face without making your skin too matte. You still will be able to keep that glow, and that's what I really like this powder for. I also feel like this is a good powder for touching up because it is such a fine consistency that you can layer it on top of makeup and it's not gonna look or feel heavy. You guys, this next one, I don't know if I've talked about it yet. Have I? I honestly don't know if I filmed a favorites video yet for 2021. And it's the NARS Liquid Blush. You guys, this little guy is so stunning. What I love to do is do like one pump on the back of my hand and work it into a synthetic brush like this, any sort of synthetic brush, and then pat it on my cheeks. I'll do it before and after powder, and I just find that it gives my skin like such a pretty glow. It has a really soft sheen throughout it without being like chunky or glittery or overpowering. It just gives your skin the healthiest looking finish, and I have a feeling that I'm going to swear by this in the summertime, just like on bare skin or maybe with just some concealer. I just know that this is gonna give me that like sun-kissed look with a tan. I definitely want to try out more colors. I feel like in the summertime a really good like coral would be beautiful. And what I do like about that too is that I can put it on top of my makeup after I've already set it, and it doesn't break up the makeup, it doesn't separate, it still gives a really smooth finish, but just gives you that healthy glow. This is another random product, but I really have been loving it, and it's the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. This product is so pretty, just like by itself. So not only does it really hydrate your lips, juice it up, and make your lips just look super plump, but I got mine in the color Buzzed. So it has a really pretty, just like a little bit of color and then a tiny bit of flex throughout it. And that flex throughout it really just makes your lips look so juicy and plump and pretty. I love wearing this by itself or even just with like a nude lip pencil in this. And it's just like a good everyday lip color, but then it also treats your lips as an intensive mask. So in the wintertime, when your lips and your skin are dry, layer this all over, and then you can just have your lips being treated all day, but it'll still look cute. So I recently started following Courtney Shields on Instagram, and I love her. Her recommendations are bomb. She's really good at selling you stuff, but the things that she really pitches to you and that you end up getting, like everything that I've tried for her recommendation, I have been absolutely obsessed with. And one of those things are these beauty sponges. They're the Love Beauty Love Beaky Focus on Beauty Tools. I got these from Amazon. They're $9 for a pack of 5. I already have one all dampened. But you guys, I love these so much more than the original Beauty Blender. And I'm not even just saying that. I think I like it a little bit more than my e.l.f. sponge, just because like they're smoother but still nice and squishy, but like slightly denser than the Beauty Blender, but still like super squishy. It's not going to be like too dense or intense on the skin. Swell up to a nice like big size. And it just like blends out the foundation beautifully. I'm just obsessed with these. They're so good. And the fact that you get a pack of 5 for only $9, I think is such a steal. Like, I don't know why anybody is still spending $20 on a beauty blender when this exists. Like, I'm telling you, so much better. Blends out the foundation like a dream. I also love it for like buffing in my powder, but really been enjoying these. You guys, this is a must-have. I'll also have it linked in my Amazon shop. Guys, moving on, this is another product that Courtney Shields made me buy. This Hourglass Ambient Light Bronzer in Bronze Light. Most stunning thing to ever exist on the planet. It's what I have all over my face right now. And you would think like a shimmery bronzer would be like intimidating or be too like harsh or intense on the skin. But it's such a fine sheen, like it's not glittery whatsoever. And the color is honestly super buildable. That's it right there. But once it's on the skin, it just gives you this all over lit from within finish. Gives you that really pretty bronzy sun-kissed finish. But again, without being too glittery or too harsh. This is also so stunning. Just toss all over the eyelid with some mascara or lashes and boom, it looks like you tried and really just threw bronzer on there. If you guys haven't tried this, try it. It'll give your skin that like summery glow in the middle of winter. Moving on, we got these lip glosses from MAC. Why is there hair all over them? These are the MAC Power Glass lip glosses. Now, these have been out for a while. They have a ton more colors than these, but I recently tried them because one of the colors stuck out to me. I purchased it, tried it on, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need these in every color. I'm gonna insert a picture here on like how pouty and plump it literally makes your lips look. Like it literally makes it look like you got lip filler, but really it's just these glosses. I'm gonna put this one on right now. I'm gonna put on the G, that swell color, and you guys will see. It just like instantly juices up your lip. I don't know if you can tell. Watch, in like 2 minutes my lips are gonna be like, but what I love about these, for one, is how juicy it makes your lips look. 2, I love how thin the consistency of it is. They're not sticky, but it still leaves your lips super glossy. They're nice and sheer too, so like this bolder color I got for the summertime whenever I'm more tan, like to wear on its own, but it doesn't go on nearly as intense as it looks in the packaging. Gosh, I am the worst swatcher ever, but isn't that like so pretty? So I just love how they're like slightly tinted, but they're not overpowering. Super glossy and super comfortable to wear. They're not one of those plumping lip glosses that are like overwhelmingly stingy on your lips. Moving on, I wanted to talk about these nail products that I got from Nail Addict. Now these were actually sent to me, but I had to talk about them because I used them 3 weeks ago and literally they did not chip. They are these gel nail polishes. So I have the base and top coat here, and then I got 3 colors. I got a white one, which is somewhere because I always use up for my toes. And then I got this really pretty red and then a really pretty baby pink color. But you guys, if you guys are looking to do like at-home gel manicures on your nails or on your feet, I highly recommend these. Like literally, I went 3 weeks and it did not chip. They stayed put all day between the base coat, the top coat, and the colors itself. Like so good. And I just used it with my cheap little like Amazon LED gel lamp, and it worked really well, and they're really affordable. So I'll leave these linked down below as well as just their website for you to check out. And I can see if I have a coupon code with them. If I do, I'll leave it linked here. If not, I'll try to find like a promo code or something that you guys can use. All right, next up, this, I mean, I just wanted to talk about it because it was another favorite color that I discovered in this line of products, but I've already talked about these glosses in particular a ton, and they're the Maybelline Lifter glosses. I love them. They're bomb. They have hyaluronic acid in it. They're super comfortable on the lip. Opaque. You can wear them by themselves or on top of lip colors. But I recently got the color Silk, and this has been like my favorite, just like everyday run out the door lip color. It's just a really pretty natural lip pink. Although I don't know why I'm wearing lip colors running out the door considering I'm wearing a mask everywhere, but that's fine. But it's just such a pretty natural lip pinky color, so I love it. Then I also wanted to talk about these lashes that I recently discovered. I never thought there'd be a day where I used other lashes beside my favorite Amazon lashes, but these MAC lashes are so pretty. They're exactly what I like in lashes, where they're dramatic but like not overpowering. And these are the MAC lashes in the kind Megastar. They're definitely more dramatic than my typical Amazon lashes, so whenever I want it super subtle or more subtle than these, I'll still grab my Amazon lashes. But these are perfect for when I just want a little extra drama, but I don't want it to overpower my eye look. I'm just obsessed with these. They kind of remind me of the Lily lashes in the style Miami. And they're nice and fluffy and like 3D. So don't sleep on MAC lashes. They came out with like a bunch of new ones, and they're actually so good. This was another TikTok product I almost forgot to talk about, but it's so worth it. If you can get your hands on this, grab it. Such a great product. It's the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. You guys, this is definitely worth the hype. What I love about this mascara is that it gives you a ton of length and like separation. The wand on it is like really flexible. It's one of those nice plastic wands, and it just really gives your lash like a really feathery, long effect. But my favorite way to use this mascara is paired with like a more thick brush volumized mascara, if that makes sense. So like I really like to use it with the Maybelline Falsies mascara, or even the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Any mascara with like a thicker voluminous wand to it. I'll do the voluminous one first and then go in with the Maybelline Sky High, and this just really separates and lengthens even more and will literally make your lashes look like you are wearing false eyelashes. But it's pretty by itself too. So if you can get your hands on this, get it. It's worth the hype. And I love it. And alright guys, that wraps it up for some products that I have been absolutely loving at the moment. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more favorites videos and things like that, or me just talking about like bomb products in different categories, let me know in the comments down below. Also, before I end this video, so for the past 3 years, my husband has been working on like, he creates different t-shirts, different like sweatshirts just for fun. Like he just plays with different like graphic designs and just like creates stuff for fun. And like we'll collaborate sometimes. He'll ask for like my input, but he's been doing this for literally I think almost like 3 years now. And finally I was like, why don't we start selling this or even like create merch out of it? So if that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing, let me know. Let me know if you would buy it, because he's so talented, he's so good at it, and a lot of it is like, well, actually all of it is very like Christian based and just like based off of like things that we've read in scripture or things that like we've studied in the Bible, and it's really cool. So if you guys would be interested in purchasing Christian merch, let me know in the comments down below. That way we know like how much to order, things like that, if it's something that's even worth going through with. But I think it's about time. I mean, it's been 3 years. And the designs and stuff are really cool, so let me know if that's something you're interested in. That's it for this video. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!